kind of a crime. If he wasn't deaf, every NEI school in our area would be drooling over him. He's the biggest athlete I've ever had here.
And in a sport where trash talk is big, Connor is unfazed.
If they say mean things, I ignore them. Actually, I can't hear them.
My favorite story is when he was a 7th grader. We were doing an in-practice scrimmage, and he used to wear his cochlear implant so he could hear some things, and he was shooting a free throw to win the scrimmage. And they're all getting loud, and he just unplugged it, looked at him like, I can't hear you, buried it, plugged it back in, and went, what?